got home from school. Today was so long for no reason. And I decided to treat myself to some Hello Nori. They're like a hand roll place, bar, and they have a downtown location, but they've opened one near my house. So I got scallop, toro, spicy lobster, and spicy crab. Anyways, and then salmon. And it looks like this, and it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna start with the toro because this is what I've been looking forward to. It's so good. This is really hitting the spot. Oh, I'm getting FaceTime. What's up, brah?
What's up? You have sushi? Nice. Wow, it's good.
I'm gonna do the rest of my readings that I still have to catch up on because I am really behind in the scores. Good morning. I am so sick and so puffy right now. I slept for 10 hours. Yeah. I mean, I was really tired yesterday, but also I think it has to do with the fact that I took like cold medication before I went to bed, and so I was like knocked out. But I woke up a lot later than I wanted to today. But we're gonna get our day started. I have to clean the house a bit because it's a bit of a mess. And then I have to throw out the trash, and I'm also gonna make some miyoko because I am sick. So let's do that. Wait, I swear I'm always sick in these videos. I just think that it's weird that like ever since I've been in Vancouver, I get sick so often because I used to never get sick in Korea. It is the evening and I'm still very much sick, but I have to do some work. So I am going to be doing that. Life of a fucking college student, man. I am still very much sick, but I have spent the entire morning doing some homework and assignments. I still have some to do, so I'm gonna finish them. cheese sticks. Ah! Friday. My friends and I are meeting to go out and we're having like a little gals night. I feel like this week has been super rough, so I'm excited that it's over.